In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Heygen. By the end, you'll know how to remove an avatar's original environment, apply clean color backdrops, and set photos or videos as a full canvas background, all inside Heygen's AI Studio. Start by opening your browser and searching for Heygen. Click the official site in the results, then choose Sign In. Use your preferred sign-in method, and once you're in, head straight to AI Studio. When your project loads, make sure your avatar is visible on the canvas. Click directly on the avatar to open the selection menu. From the floating menu, choose BG Remover. This strips out the original environment behind your avatar, making space for a new background. It works best with clear subject edges. If anything looks off, just run the tool again or slightly reposition the avatar for a cleaner outline. If your background layer isn't obvious yet, adjust the avatar framing. Switch the framing to circular or back to original to reveal more of the background area behind your avatar. Circular framing is great if you want a neat portrait-style cutout. Original keeps the avatar's natural shape while still exposing the backdrop. Next, look under the avatar's background options. Choose color to set a single, solid backdrop. You can pick from the color picker or enter a hex code if you're matching brand colors. Solid colors are ideal for clean, distraction-free visuals, especially when you want text or on-screen graphics to stand out. Prefer imagery or motion? Click Media to browse Heygen's built-in library of professional photos and videos. Search for a style that matches your message: subtle gradients for a modern look, office scenes for corporate topics, or calm motion backgrounds for a polished feel. Select an asset to preview how it pairs with your avatar's framing and lighting. To use your own files, go to the Media tab, click Upload, and drag in JPG or PNG images or MP4 videos up to 200 MB. Choose media that matches your canvas aspect ratio to minimize cropping. High-resolution assets prevent blur, and gentle motion videos keep the focus on your avatar while adding depth. When your chosen asset appears on the workboard, select it, then right-click, or click the three dots, and choose Set as Background. Heygen will automatically resize it to fill the entire canvas without distortion. If your avatar ever slips behind the background, simply reselect the avatar so it sits on top. That's it. Remove the old environment, reveal the backdrop, apply a color or media asset, and set it as your canvas background. You now have a clean, consistent look ready for your next Heygen video.